Welcome back to Vintage Air. I'm Jason. We're excited to announce the release of the Gen 5 SureFit kit for the 1964 to 1967 GTOs. We'll take a closer look of underneath the hood and interior of the cars to show you what your kit will consist of. With the SureFit kit, you'll be included with the AC bracket mounting kit. That will locate your compressor at the nice OEM location. With that, you'll have included the condenser, dryer, and hard lines included with it. And the reduced barrier hoses will be cut to length and routed through your inner fender to meet to the firewall. And at the firewall, we do supply the powder-coated satin finish cover. For a closer look at this factory GTO, the SureFit kit will include the Gen 5 Magnum Max unit. With that, you'll have all the hose adapters for your dash vents. You'll have a replacement glove box, and with the kit included, you'll have the control panel conversion kit. And at a closer look at this factory non-AC GTO, the SureFit kit will include the underdash louver panel. In this particular unique situation, we did tailor it for this client's vehicle, but your kit will come with a very similar underdash setup as well. That will also come included with the replacement glove box and your cable conversion kit as well. And that about wraps it up. We are excited for the release of the Gen 5 for the GTOs from 64 to 67. These kits are ready and available, so go ahead and give our salespeople a call. Until next time, I'm Jason. See you again.